How to view ride history in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to view the ride history, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on the U button at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Now scroll down and here you can find ride history. Just right here, tap on it. Now from here you can simply view the ride history. Then here you can find your personal and business options. Just right here. And that's it. This is how you can view ride history into the Lyft application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.